Hi guys, this is Chika with borrowedDelights.com, and today we are doing a simple how-to video. This is how to make oat flour. I wanted to share this video with you guys because making oat flour is super easy and it is a great alternative to use in gluten-free baking. So to make your flour, you're going to want to use either old-fashioned oats or quick cooking oats. And you're simply going to place your oats into either a food processor or a blender and blitz it on high speed until you have a fine powder. And for every cup of oats that you measure out and blend, you will get a cup of oat flour. So it makes it super easy in terms of conversion. To store your oat flour, you're going to simply place it into either an airtight container or a Ziploc bag and just keep it in your pantry. So I will be sure to place the links to some of my videos that you can definitely incorporate oat flour into, and I will leave those in the description box below. So you guys can feel free to check out those videos, make those recipes, and if there's any questions, feel free to leave a comment below, or you can send a direct message to me. I want to thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope that you will use this tutorial next time you're making a recipe that calls for oat flour. Bye!